Tony Robbins, a mastermind in wealth creation and financial education, gained the wisdom of financial giants like Warren Buffett and Ray Dalio to share 6 powerful rules of money with us today. Each rule is an essential stepping stone towards achieving financial freedom. Today you're going to unlock the secrets that have transformed ordinary earners into masters of wealth. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the 6 rules of money to achieve financial freedom. Meet Sarah, an aspiring entrepreneur who uncovers the wealthy's secret, letting money work for her instead of working for money. She commits to saving a portion of her income, allowing it to grow and compound, morphing into a treasure trove of opportunity and investments. Rule 1. You will never earn your way to freedom. This rule challenges the conventional trade time for money, urging a shift towards strategic saving and investment to become an owner, not a lifelong worker. The next rule goes hand in hand with this rule. Meet William and James. William, who starts saving early by putting a portion of his income into a mutual fund or investment account, leverages the power of compound interest. His brother James waits years later to start investing, but invests significantly more than William. Even though William invested less than James, he has more money than his brother. Rule 2. Take advantage of compound interest. This rule highlights the importance of investing early and multiplying your money with the transformative power of compound interest, a silent yet potent force in building wealth. The next rule is about having courage and strategy when others have fear. Meet John, an investor who sees market crashes as golden opportunities for wealth creation. He saves a portion of his wealth to invest when prices hit rock bottom. Some may call this timing the market, which is a challenging thing to do, but this rule is about finding opportunity in chaos, turning fear into fortune. Rule 3. Market crashes are a blessing in disguise. This rule is about having courage and harnessing strategic investment, seeing market crashes as huge opportunities for wealth accumulation. The next rule will discuss why you don't want all your eggs in one basket. Meet Ray Dalio, owner of one of the world's largest hedge funds. He introduced the investment model of the all-weather fund. This portfolio strategy is designed to perform well across various economic conditions, balancing risk rather than capital among different asset classes. This approach, known as risk parity, diversifies investments across stocks, bonds, commodities, and gold, aiming to mitigate volatility and provide consistent returns. Rule 4. Diversify your investments. This rule teaches the importance of balancing not just assets, but risks, crafting a diversified portfolio that can endure market volatility. It's about building a financial shield that guards against unforeseen economic shifts. The next rule is the hidden enemy of financial success. Meet Ricky, a young investor who actively invests his money over the years. Ricky overlooked the small fees associated with investing and realized it consumed a significant portion of his wealth over time. Rule 5. Know your fees. This rule is a wake-up call to be vigilant about investment fees, emphasizing the need for cost-effective financial strategies. To be financially successful, you need to be financially prudent, ensuring that your investments aren't eroded by hidden charges. The next rule will change how you approach wealth building. And before we share it with you, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Meet Mel Fisher, a treasure hunter whose unwavering belief led to a remarkable discovery: the wreck of the Spanish galleon Nuestra Señora de Atocha. The Atocha sank off the Florida Keys in 1622, laden with a vast treasure from the New World, including gold, silver, copper, gems, and jewelry. Rule 6. Harness the success mindset. This rule is about cultivating resilience, vision, and an unyielding pursuit of goals. All successful people have a powerful mindset that enables them to overcome financial challenges and succeed at anything they put their minds to. Let us know where your mindset is after watching this video in a comment below.